Shoot like a pro, even if you still call it a selfie stick. Canon T7 Mega Bundle slaps. Ever dreamed of taking crystal clear photos without reading a 300-page manual or selling your kidney for a camera? The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR bundle is your all-in-one golden ticket into pro-level photography. This beast brings together a 24.1 MP CMOS sensor, DIGIC 4 Plus image processor, and built-in Wi-Fi, wrapped in a sleek body that practically screams, "I know what I'm doing." Whether you're snapping portraits, chasing sunsets, or filming full HD content for the gram, this bundle is built to flex without the stress. Say cheese to epic image quality without melting your wallet. Let's talk features that go beyond basic. Unlike those overpriced body-only camera listings, this bundle is stacked. You're getting the versatile 18 to 55mm Canon lens, wide-angle and telephoto attachments, 2 SanDisk 64GB cards, a 3-piece filter kit, flash, tripod, remote, cleaning gear, and more. That's not just a camera, it's a photography arsenal. The T7's 9-point autofocus and ISO 100 to 6400 range let you capture low-light drama or fast action with ease. Paired with optical image stabilization, it's like having a personal photo assistant who never misses a shot. Still wondering if it's worth the coin? Spoiler, it absolutely is. This kit is perfect for beginners, students, vloggers, or anyone ready to upgrade from phone pics. The best part? It's plug-and-play simple. Most users report they're up and running in minutes, no sweat, no tears, just epic shots. Plus, with all accessories included, you're not dropping extra cash on sold separately traps. It's time-saving, budget-friendly, and creatively empowering, all in one click. If you've got a vision, this setup makes it real without making you broke. Canon's build quality speaks for itself. It's durable, weather-tested, and made for the long haul. The T7 isn't just a pretty shell, it's a battle-tested DSLR with real street cred. Compared to pricier rigs with fewer goodies, this kit over-delivers. The tripod is height-adjustable for serious flexibility, the remote switch gives you cinematic control, and the auxiliary lenses open up wide-angle magic and telephoto clarity. Other kits might give you the camera, this one gives you the confidence to use it like a boss. Bottom line? This bundle is like the camera version of glow-up energy. You don't just get gear, you get options, style, and the power to turn moments into masterpieces. It's affordable enough for beginners, legit enough for pros, and versatile enough to handle anything you throw at it. Want to shoot your next blog, class project, or maybe the next viral TikTok? This Canon EOS Rebel T7 Mega Bundle will have people asking, "Yo, what did you shoot that on?" And you'll say, "Oh, just my starter cam." Grab it now, before this bundle disappears like your ex's promises.